YouTube is a video sharing platform. Here many people from home and abroad express their creative skills through videos. It was established on the 14th of February 2005. Initially it was created as a dating site, but later it has been created on many big video sharing platforms. It was founded by 3 people, one of whom is from Bangladesh. Now YouTube is owned by Google, which has been in existence since 2006. If you have creativity in any subject, then YouTube is definitely for you. Even if you know something less than you learn from YouTube, you can express your creativity on YouTube. But if you want to download and edit someone else's video and upload it, then YouTube is not for you. Because at any time you can strike those videos and lose your channel. And so you can't go too far. So if you have such thoughts, change it now. You need more than luck to succeed in affiliate business. If you can be patient, you can come to YouTube. Moreover, there may not be any benefit. YouTube is a platform where you can go to a better level by expressing your creativity. There are many people whose story started from YouTube. Today they are at a much better stage. Many people have come to this platform as a hobby and have done a lot. There was a time when it was not possible to express your skills anywhere, but today you can express your skills through YouTube, and I hope you will be in a better position one day. It can also be a great opportunity for you. So you come to this platform to express your skills beautifully. Many people can't come to this platform thinking about what it takes to come to YouTube. But to get to this platform, you don't need a computer with a high configuration, a camera. You can start working with the smartphone you have. There are many YouTubers who have grown up making videos with smartphones. Yes, the device is not a fact in this platform. Your willpower is the biggest thing here. Nowadays you can do everything from video recording, video editing, video uploading with your smartphone. So you start with that. Best of luck. This is an important issue. That is, you will do YouTube on any subject. There are many categories on YouTube, of which you will choose the category in which you love to create videos. You will never be bothered if you make a video with it, or you can make video after video without any problem. All kinds of videos are priced here, but a little less and more. Now, if you say, which videos have the best views or which videos people watch, then let me tell you, you can make an entertainment video. Because people work all day and then a little at night loves to watch funny videos about rest. Then the thing that will tell you is viral news. You can make videos with different news if you want. Because when a topic goes viral, everyone searches for it on Google or YouTube. So you can work on viral topics if you want. The next thing I want to talk about is information-related videos. Suppose someone made a video about an unknown subject which is very important, such as magic, Weird 10, etc. Channels are created. You can also create motivational videos. Because most people can't make some decisions in life or are depressed. So you can give them some inspiration through your videos if you want. But if I tell you, if you make a video on a tree, you will get good views. And if you can't climb a tree or break your arms and legs while climbing a tree, it will not be of any benefit, but it will be a loss. After a while, if you don't make a good video, you won't get views, but the desire to do YouTube will end. So I say, make a video about what you like or what you like. It is normal that there will be no views at first. But you can go through the video keeping your morale right, and at some point you will see that your video has started getting a lot of good views. Learn from YouTube and teach on YouTube. Make a video with that, with which you can continue to video without any problem. If you can sing well, then make a video. If you love fishing, then make a video. If you love to cook, do so. If you like cycling, do so. If you love to travel, create a blog video. You will visit different places of interest and make videos, in which you can also visit YouTube. These videos have a good amount of views. If you love teaching someone something, make a video about it. But never make a video by stealing someone's video. Even if it works well temporarily, it will not last long on this platform. Your channel will be suspended for a while.